In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit on Pocket Option with Cash App, step by step. First, open your browser and search for the official Pocket Option website. Once you're on the site, log into your account with your usual credentials. After you land on the home page, look for the Finance section in the menu and click it. From there, select Deposit to open the funding options. On the Deposit page, use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you want to use. For this walkthrough, choose Bitcoin. Selecting Bitcoin is convenient because Cash App supports sending BTC directly on the Bitcoin network. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. You'll see the platform's minimum deposit displayed. In this example, it shows P291, but minimums can vary by region and payment method, so make sure your amount meets or exceeds what you see on your screen. If you have a promo code, click the option to enter it and apply it before moving on. When everything looks good, click Continue and proceed to the payment page. Here, Pocket Option will display important requirements to ensure your Bitcoin payment is processed automatically. Read these carefully. You must send the exact amount shown, and you must use only the Bitcoin network. Sending on the wrong network or sending a different amount can result in delays or even loss of funds, so double check the details before you send. You'll see a unique Bitcoin address and a QR code generated for your deposit. To complete the transfer with Cash App, open Cash App, go to the Bitcoin section, choose Send, and make sure you are sending on the Bitcoin network, not Lightning. You can either paste the deposit address provided by Pocket Option or simply scan the QR code from the screen to populate it automatically. Enter the exact BTC amount displayed by Pocket Option, review the network fee and total, and confirm the transaction. After you send, return to the Pocket Option payment window and wait for the blockchain confirmations. On-chain Bitcoin transfers can take some time depending on network traffic, so don't worry if it's not instant. Keep the page or the deposit details handy until the status updates. Once confirmed, your balance on Pocket Option will reflect the deposit automatically. If the funds don't appear after the usual confirmation period, verify that you use the Bitcoin network and the exact amount, then contact Pocket Option support with your transaction ID for assistance. That's it. Search, log in, choose Finance and Deposit, select Bitcoin, enter your amount, apply any promo code, continue, and send the exact BTC via the Bitcoin network using Cash App or the QR code.